Flex, the maker of some of the industry's most powerful and innovative tools, has announced 2 cutting-edge table saws. Both of them address one of my biggest concerns with table saws, and in this video, we'll give you all of the specifications, prices, and expected availability right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Want to help out with the channel? Then head on over to the merch store. You can get hats, hoodies, t-shirts. We got all kinds of promos running right now for the holidays. Link will be down in the description below. Hello there, everyone. My name is Vince, and it sure is nice to see ya. And if you're super early, like the first person to comment on this video, make sure to say first, and you will be nominated for a prestigious award and title. Here's the deal. My biggest concern with cordless table saws has always been power. Number 1, being able to spin large saw blades through dimensional lumber and sheet goods on battery power wasn't even an option until fairly recently. And then, once we had enough horsepower to do that, the batteries running the table saw would sag and die relatively quickly. You have a finite amount of charge cycles with battery packs, meaning you can only charge them so many times until they won't take a charge anymore. Then you gotta replace the pack, and everyone knows batteries aren't cheap. I've always said that cordless table saws were a convenience tool, and you should always have a corded table saw, especially for your first table saw. It looks like One Tool brand took our feedback seriously. Let me get into it. You can reference all this information and look at the pictures we have more closely. I'll put a link in the description to get you there. Here goes. Flex Tools, a leader in innovative power tool technology, is thrilled to announce the launch of its 2 latest table saws. The 8 1/4 compact table saw, FX 7211-7, and the 10-inch table saw, FX 7221-Z. Designed to cater to the demanding needs of carpentry and framing professionals, these saws blend groundbreaking technology with unmatched performance. Now, I'm going to give the product overviews one by one. First up is the 8 1/4 compact table saw. It offers best-in-class rip capacity with 20.5-inch blade left clearance and 25-inch blade right clearance. This saw is designed for fast alignment and accurate cuts thanks to its rack and pinion fence system. It includes an LED working light on the fence for enhanced visibility during cutting operations. Additional benefits is that the saw is equipped with a side extension table for larger support surfaces and an AC/DC adapter for continuous runtime, and a battery power indicator with an LED display on the front panel. SKU and pricing for the FX 7211-Z bare tool is priced at $449.99. Next up is the 10-inch table saw, product number FX 7221-Z. This saw is a pioneer as the first cordless 10-inch table saw capable of cutting 4x4 lumber in a single pass. Its advanced cut sets technology stops the cut after the material is passed, enhancing runtime and productivity. Like the 8 1/4-inch saw, it features a rack and pinion fence system for precise cuts, an LED working light on the fence, and an AC adapter for extending cutting sessions. It has a front panel LED battery power indicator. SKU and pricing for the FX 7221-Z is priced at $549.99 as a bare tool, while the FX 7221-1J kit is available for $749.99. Now, market impact and usage will answer the question, who exactly are these table saws for? These table saws from Flex Tools are not just tools. They are a leap forward in the carpentry and framing industry. The combination of portability, power, and precision these saws offer is unparalleled. They are ideal for professionals who require reliable, high-performance tools that can handle the rigors of heavy-duty work. The 8 1/4-inch compact table saw with its compact design is perfect for those who need a portable yet powerful solution. On the other hand, the 10-inch table saw with its ability to handle larger lumber is a boon for more demanding projects. The reality is, without the right technology and innovation, these table saws aren't possible. The technology incorporated into these saws demonstrates Flex Tools' commitment to innovation. The cut-sense technology in the 10-inch saw is a notable advancement, offering enhanced safety and efficiency. The use of LED lights for better visibility reflects the brand's attention to detail and user experience. Moreover, the versatility offered by the AC/DC adapter in both models ensures that professionals can rely on these tools in various work environments, whether they have access to power outlets or not. Now, some of you might not even know who Flex Tools even are, because they've been largely sold in Germany, and their 24-volt cordless platform was just launched a few years back here in North America. You can learn a lot more about the company in this video here. I can tell you that customer benefits and satisfaction have always been a priority from Flex, and they've shown that by offering a founder's limited lifetime warranty on all their batteries, chargers, and tools. Flex Tools has always focused on customer satisfaction, and these new table saws are no exception. They are designed to meet the evolving needs of professionals in the carpentry and framing sectors. The ergonomic design, ease of use, and safety features of these saws ensure that they not only enhance productivity, but also provide a comfortable and safe working experience. Look, here's the conclusion and what you can expect in the future. The introduction of the 8¼ compact table saw and the 10-inch table saw marks a new era in power tools for carpentry and framing. Flex Tools continues to redefine industry standards by providing innovative, high-quality, and reliable tools. The launch of these saws is just the beginning of many more pioneering products to come from Flex Tools as they continue to empower professionals across the globe. I can't deny that I'm really excited about these new saws because I believe it marks a bigger moment for the brand's evolution into a main contender in the tool industry. But more importantly, as a brand you'd consider adopting, especially as a carpenter. They're finally filling in the holes that it might have kept you from committing to the platform. And competition is great for the consumer. It drives innovation from all competitors and drives prices down. And if you like getting better tools for cheaper prices, then smash the like button. It helps the channel and lets me know that making the video is worthwhile because you appreciate it. Leave it down below. What do you think these two new saws from Flex means to the tool industry? And if you want to find out more about Flex Tools, then check out this next video. Thanks everyone. I appreciate you being here watching.